Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you in document libraries, there's now a new functionality to create views based on date for a calendar and also a gallery view. This until now was existing for lists, Microsoft lists and SharePoint lists. Now I can show you how to do it also in document libraries. So we are on a team site. I'll go to the document library, or I can create a new one. And you see we have actually one folder, several documents. One is Word, one is Excel, and two images. And we see also a column for the city, and we have a date. So the first thing we will do is we'll go to the drop down here, and you see we can create a new view. So the default is a list view. We can create a calendar view. Let's give it a name. Let's call it due view. And we'll choose it calendar, and we'll take the column which is called due, which is a date. We can see additional information. It's asking which column we will take as the title. The title is not good in a document library, so we need to change it to the name of the file, or at least. So let's look for the name. Here it is. And if I press create, we'll see now calendar, and we have the name of the files. So this is creating a view for a calendar on the document library. Now the next thing we will do, let's go back, and I will click again and create a new view. This time it will be a gallery view. So I will just write the name of the view, and I will create it. Now you see actually it just showed it like as a just like as we would choose a tile, but we can customize it a bit more. If I click on the drop down, I can click on format this current view, and here I have the document card designer. Here actually I can choose if I want to show the file or the folder. You see, I can choose if I want to show the name, who modified it, and if to show the image, the modified, the city, or all of the columns that we have here. And we can also drag and arrange it based on how we want. In addition, we can decide also if to show the names of the columns or not. So let's just leave it like this, and let's save and close. So you see it's actually showing like cards. So this is an image. I see the name, the city, when it was modified, and the due date. Now what happens if I want to open the file? So if I click once, it just marks it. I can use all of this, but if you want to actually open it, you need to double click. So this is less convenient because, but this is actually what we have now. If we go to a Word, if I click once, actually nothing will happen. If I double click, the Word document will open, and the same thing for the rest. So this is actually what I wanted to show you. So we have the list view, which actually shows it as a list. We have actually the calendar view, which is based on the date, and we have the card gallery, which actually you can define how you want it to show. Now, for instance, you see I'm on a gallery, but for some reason the tiles went away, so I can mark it again and just save it again. So this is what I wanted to show you, just to show you how it is in a list. List actually has even additional view. So if I go to new list, give it a name, I'll choose a blank one, call this test. And actually, if I go and see what types of create new view, here we have actually a list, a calendar, a gallery, and a board. A board is actually just like a Kanban board where you can actually drag, just like in Planner, from status to status or column to column. So I don't know if the board view will come to Document Library, but this is same feature that came for the list is now existing for the Document Library. So try it yourself and let me know what you think. Goodbye.